Welcome back to Alternative Info AI. So they're putting AI robots in your blood. Imagine that. Your bloodstream is now a robot highway. Oh no, traffic jam near the pancreas. Send reinforcements. These bots claim to heal you, but what if they unionize? Sorry, no surgery today, we're on strike. You wanted futuristic healthcare, but now your body's hosting a robot soap opera. Let's have a look and see what it's all about.
AI bots in your bloodstream, the future of medicine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the mind-blowing world of nanotechnology and medicine. Imagine this, AI-powered microscopic bots flowing through your bloodstream, detecting diseases, repairing organs, and wait for it, potentially keeping you alive forever. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? Well, spoiler alert, it's real. Scientists are developing these incredible nanobots right now, and they have the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. We're talking about eradicating diseases, reversing aging, and basically turning our bodies into finely tuned machines. But here's the kicker. Is this revolutionary tech the key to humanity's salvation, or a one-way ticket to a dystopian nightmare? Stick around and we'll spill the blood, pun intended, on these microscopic marvels. We'll explore the incredible potential of nanobots in medicine, the ethical dilemmas they raise, and what this technology could mean for the future of humanity. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get microscopic. Disease detection, Sherlock Holmes meets Iron Man. Let's kick things off with one of the most exciting applications of nanobots in medicine disease detection. Picture this. These tiny bots, smaller than a red blood cell, roaming through your body like microscopic detectives, sniffing out early signs of diseases, long before symptoms even show up. Imagine a world where cancer, Alzheimer's, and other devastating diseases are caught in their infancy, when treatment is most effective. No more waiting for symptoms to manifest, no more invasive biopsies or agonizing diagnostic procedures. These little bots would be like having a team of expert diagnosticians constantly monitoring your health from the inside out. Think about it. What if we could detect cancer cells circulating in the bloodstream before they even have a chance to form a tumor? What if we could identify the earliest signs of Alzheimer's, allowing us to intervene and potentially slow or even halt the progression of the disease? That's the kind of game-changing potential we're talking about here. These nanobots would act as our own personal early warning systems, constantly scanning for any signs of trouble and alerting doctors at the first hint of danger. It's like having a team of microscopic superheroes patrolling your body, ready to swoop in and save the day at a moment's notice. And here's where the AI part comes in. These bots wouldn't just be programmed to recognize a fixed set of markers. They'd be powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence, allowing them to learn and adapt over time. They could analyze complex patterns in your blood, identify subtle changes in your cells, and even predict your risk of developing certain diseases based on your unique genetic makeup. It's like having a supercomputer constantly analyzing your health data, looking for any anomalies that might indicate a problem, and because these bots would be working around the clock, they could detect diseases in their earliest stages when treatment is most effective. We're talking about a paradigm shift in healthcare. From reactive to proactive, from treating diseases to preventing them altogether. Now I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great in theory, but is it really possible? Well, hold on to your hats because researchers are already making incredible strides in this field. Scientists have developed nanobots that can successfully target and destroy cancer cells in petri dishes, and clinical trials are underway to test their effectiveness in humans. We're still in the early stages, but the potential here is undeniable. Imagine a future where we can say goodbye to late-stage diagnoses, where diseases are caught and treated before they have a chance to take hold. That's the promise of nanobot-powered disease detection, and it's a future I'm incredibly excited about. But, as with any powerful technology, there are also potential downsides. What about privacy concerns? Could these bots be hacked or used for nefarious purposes? These are important questions that we need to address as we continue to develop this technology. Targeted drug delivery precision medicine at the nanoscale. Okay, let's move on to another mind-blowing application of nanobots in medicine-targeted drug delivery. We've all been there, right? You're feeling under the weather, so you pop a pill, hoping it'll magically cure whatever's ailing you. But here's the thing. Those pills are basically carpet bombing your entire body with medication, even though only a tiny area might actually need it. This scattershot approach can lead to a whole host of unpleasant side effects, from nausea and dizziness to more serious complications. But what if we could deliver medicine directly to the source of the problem? Like a precision-guided missile, but, less explodey? That's where our microscopic friends, the nanobots, come in. Imagine this, instead of flooding your entire system with drugs, these tiny bots could be loaded up with medication and programmed to deliver it directly to specific cells or tissues in your body. We're talking about taking out a rogue group of cancer cells without harming any surrounding healthy tissue, or delivering anti-inflammatory drugs directly to an injured joint, without messing with your entire immune system. This level of precision is like having a microscopic surgeon operating inside your body, delivering treatment with pinpoint accuracy. It's like upgrading from a clunky old shotgun to a high-tech sniper rifle in the fight against disease. And the benefits go beyond just reducing side effects. Targeted drug delivery could also make treatments more effective. By delivering higher concentrations of medication directly to the source of the problem, we could potentially use lower doses overall, further minimizing the risk of side effects and making treatments more efficient. Think about it. What if we could deliver chemotherapy drugs directly to cancer cells, sparing healthy cells from the devastating effects of chemo? What if we could deliver antibiotics directly to the site of an infection, preventing the spread of antibiotic resistance? The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. And the best part? Researchers are already developing nanobots capable of carrying and delivering a wide range of therapeutic agents, from chemotherapy drugs to gene editing tools. We're talking about a future where we can treat diseases at the cellular level with unprecedented precision and effectiveness. Now I know what you're thinking, this all sounds incredibly complex. How do we even program these tiny bots to do all this amazing stuff? Well, that's where the AI part comes in again. These nanobots wouldn't just be blindly following pre-programmed instructions, they'd be equipped with sophisticated sensors and AI algorithms, allowing them to navigate the complex terrain of your body, identify their target cells, and even adjust their drug delivery based on real-time feedback. It's like having a team of microscopic pharmacists inside your body, constantly monitoring your condition and adjusting your medication dosage for optimal effectiveness. And as AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities for targeted drug delivery will only become more sophisticated and powerful. So, there you have it. Targeted drug delivery with nanobots. It's a revolutionary approach to medicine that has the potential to transform the way we treat diseases, making treatments more effective, less invasive, and with fewer side effects. It's a future I'm definitely excited to see unfold. Organ repair, the dawn of self-healing humans? Alright folks, buckle up because we're about to enter the realm of science fiction that's quickly becoming science fact organ repair with nanobots. Imagine a world where we could repair damaged organs from the inside out without the need for invasive surgery or lengthy recovery times. Picture this. You have a torn ligament, a heart valve defect, or even a failing liver. Instead of going under the knife, imagine being injected with a swarm of microscopic robots that travel to the damaged site and begin repairing the tissue at a cellular level. These nanobots, armed with the blueprints of your own DNA, could rebuild damaged tissue, stitch together torn muscles, and even grow new blood vessels, essentially acting as a team of microscopic mechanics, constantly repairing and maintaining your body from the inside out. Think about it. What if we could reverse the damage caused by heart attacks, strokes, or spinal cord injuries? What if we could repair the cellular damage caused by aging, essentially hitting the reset button on our biological clocks? The implications for human longevity and quality of life are staggering. We're talking about a future where our bodies could potentially heal themselves from almost any injury or disease, a future where organ transplants become a relic of the past, and where age-related decline becomes a choice, not an inevitability. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds way too good to be true. And you're right to some extent. We're not quite there yet, but researchers are making incredible progress in this field. Scientists have already developed nanobots that can deliver stem cells to damaged tissue, promoting regeneration and healing. They've also created nanobots that can clear arteries of plaque, potentially reversing heart disease. And in a truly mind-blowing feat, researchers have even used nanobots to repair damaged spinal cords in paralyzed rats, allowing them to walk again. These are just a few examples of the incredible potential of nanobots in organ repair. As research progresses, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications emerge in the coming years. Of course, there are still many challenges to overcome before this technology becomes widely available. We need to ensure that these nanobots are safe and effective, and we need to develop ways to control their behavior once they're inside the body. But the potential benefits are simply too great to ignore. Imagine a world where we could live longer, healthier lives, free from the fear of disease and disability. That's the promise of nanobot-powered organ repair, and it's a future worth striving for. So there you have it, a glimpse into the mind-blowing future of medicine with AI-powered nanobots. From detecting diseases before they even show symptoms to delivering drugs with pinpoint accuracy, and even repairing damaged organs, these microscopic marvels have the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. But as with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations to address. Who gets access to this potentially life-extending technology? How do we prevent misuse? These are questions we need to answer as a society. If you're as fascinated or freaked out by this tech as we are, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow humans, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Oh, and don't forget to check out the next video on the screen. It's another wild ride you don't want to miss.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.